PM Modi, during his address to the nation on the occasion of independence, also shed light on the rising cases of obesity in the country, calling it a potential huge crisis. He called for lowering oil consumption. Here are some oil-free recipes that you can try at home easily. Prime Minister Narendra Modi in his Independence Day address to the nation spoke about an increasing health crisis in India: obesity. Speaking from the Red Fort in Delhi on the occasion of 79th Independence Day, PM Modi called obesity a potential huge crisis. He urged citizens to take simple steps at home to slow this trend while tying it to national economic health. He also spoke on the rise of lifestyle diseases and how it impacts millions of Indians. The Prime Minister said, in the coming years, obesity can become a major challenge for our country. Speaking about it, he further said, if every family decides to reduce the use of cooking oil by 10, it will benefit the health of the nation. Reducing oil consumption can significantly improve your overall health and well-being. When you reduce your oil consumption, it improves your heart health, reduces risk of stroke, helps in management of blood sugar levels and lowers cholesterol levels, among others. Hence, it is important that you keep a check on your oil consumption. However, if you're wondering how to reduce the oil consumption, you can start with trying recipes that use little to no oil. Here are some oil-free recipes that you can try at home easily. Also read Janmashtami 2025 wrap recipes you'll love making in